everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, you guys read that right. I've done one of these videos one or two times before. As you guys know, I collect Funko Pops. I'm not a hardcore Funko Pop collector, but I do collect them. I do have like the Minions, I have Beauty and the Beast, I have the Muppets. Those were the ones that I really wanted the most. And then now over the years I've gotten the Sanderson sisters. I actually got some for Christmas not that long ago, so I have two different kinds, which I was pretty excited for. And if you guys watched my videos recently, you would see that my basement flooded. And so right now I have a different background and all that stuff because we're waiting for them to, you know, change out our basement, but it hasn't happened yet. But what happens is my husband said that we get to actually put my stuff on display. Like, I have them all over the place and I'm just kind of sick of it. So I ended up buying some extra Funko Pops for myself because I really wanted to do this. Now this is one I bought from somebody on Marketplace on Facebook. I have been really trying to get all the Nickelodeon ones. Like, I am a hardcore Nickelodeon, old school Nickelodeon fan. You know, I'm a 90s kid. I grew up in the, I was born in the 80s, but you know, if you guys were a 90s kid, you guys would understand, you know, I'm in my mid 30s. And I absolutely loved Nickelodeon, like Rugrats, All Real Monsters. But if you guys ever run into me couponing, you will see that I have a Reptar bag. I have a bag where I put all my like coupon stuff, my scissors, my pens, my clipboard, and all that stuff. And I ended up putting it all in this box, or I ended up putting it all in there. But I have been wanting to find Reptar. And I buy a lot of my Pops on Amazon, and I have been really wanting to buy Reptar, and I don't want to pay the price. Like, they want 20, 30 bucks for Reptar, and I am an out-of-box collector, so I don't really care if the box is not pristine. But I am super excited, you guys. I got Reptar. I found Chucky, and I've been really wanting Chucky, and I ended up getting a 2-pack, which was cheaper to get than buying Chucky by itself because I'm an out-of-box collector. I don't care, but I am so stoked that I finally got Reptar to finish my Rugrats edition. I also have Angelica and I have Spike. I really wanted, I hope Phil and Lil come out, but there is that. So that was somebody I got from Marketplace. And then I ended up buying stuff from GameStop. Now I think I bought these on Friday night and today is Tuesday. And I bought them, and they had a deal where I wanted to buy specific ones, and if you spent $100, you would have gotten like 20 or 30% off or something. So I'm like, okay, I just need to buy like 3 more Funko Pops, and then I can pretty much get, you know, free shipping, plus I can get 3 more pretty much free. But this ended up coming out cheaper than it was then I bought it on Amazon. So I think there's just one in here. Okay, one in here. And this is one that I'm like, okay, what do I want to get? It is Slimer, you guys. I love Slimer. I'm a huge fan. I'm not going to collect all the Ghostbuster guys, but I'm definitely loving Slimer. He is so cute. He's got hot dogs in his mouth. But I thought that was super cute. I think he was like 10 bucks or something for him, but with my percentage off, I think I got it for like $7. So loving Slimer, loving it, loving it, loving it. And then I have a big box that was shipped separately. Then I have this big box. Now, funny thing is, GameStop never sent. Make sure she doesn't come downstairs. GameStop never.
Shut the door.
Okay. GameStop never sent me an email saying that I got it on order. They are like a confirmation. They never sent me an email letting me know that it's shipped. Like, nothing. I have no idea. I just have to kind of guess when this stuff will be delivered. So we are going to see what's in here. Now I ordered 8 of 10. I think I ordered 13 Funko Pops. So we will see what is included. Benjamin's just gonna go crazy. And these are all of them. Okay, let's Okay, so I had to get like another one for just to finish it. Now this was on clearance. Okay, so hold on, honey. I'm not complaining, but this has a $5 sticker on here. It says it was $11.99. I am not complaining because I am an out-of-box collector. But hold on, honey. I got this for $4. I got her for $4 for buying so much, so I thought, it's Minnie Mouse. I mean, now I gotta try to find Mickey if I can, but if I don't, not a big deal. Not a big deal. And then I ended up getting Hey Arnold. Now, I already have Hey Arnold, but this is a banana. And you guys can't go wrong with a banana. So I already have Helga and I already have Gerald, but I'm like, hey, it's a banana. So this was $5 also, and I got it for $4. So yeah, I got these for 20% off is what I got. But I thought, hey, I love bananas, so why not? Now, you guys know I am a boy band fanatic. I absolutely love boy bands. And I was like, do I want to get this or do I not? Do I want to? Do I not? So, hold on, Ben. So, I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So, they ended up having, and this box is damaged, so I'm not making a big deal. They ended up having the NSYNC ones on clearance. Go upstairs. They ended up having the NSYNC ones on clearance for $5. $5, you guys, they had these for. Amazon wants at least like $10 to $5 for these, so I'm like, this is actually a cheaper deal. So I ended up getting Lance Bass, if you guys can kind of see Lance. I got JC, and their microphones have like little straws on it, so then when I take these out of the box, I can take the straw. But we got JC. We got, hold on, honey. We got Chris Kirkpatrick. This one, he's got like the old school like hairdo, if you guys can kind of see that. Not that one yet, honey. So we got Chris. I'm not doing that one yet. We got Justin Timberlake back when he had his curly hair. So we got that one. Not that one yet, honey. And then we also got Joey Fatone. So I'm like, you know what? I just love boy bands, you guys. Like if NSYNC ever came back on tour, I would totally get tickets. Like, I've been wanting to see NSYNC so badly. Sorry, my son's being a little stink butt. But I was super excited to get this. So those were like $25 for all those. But you guys, I didn't pay for that. I paid 20 bucks for all those. So I think that's a pretty good deal. 20 bucks for that. And then the new ones that just came out were the Backstreet Boys. Now, I recently saw the Backstreet Boys back in September. This is the I Want It That Way music video where they're dressed all in white, but I'm like, I don't know, I just love boy bands, you guys. Like, I used to be gothic back in the day. Yeah, I used to be gothic, but I secretively loved the boy bands. So we got Nick Carter. We have Howie Duro. Now, he was the cheapest out of all of them. Or, these guys were like $10 a piece, I think. Or they were $11. I can't remember, but I got them for like $9 a piece. So, we have Howie. And then we have AJ, which he's got his little glasses on. I think that's kind of cool. So, we got that. And then we got Brian. And then we got Kevin. Now, Kevin was my favorite Backstreet Boy when I was a kid. Now he's not like my favorite like he was, but you know, I still love him all. The last one. I already showed everybody that one. So those were all that I got. I paid like, how much? I paid $81. $81 for all this stuff, you guys. And I got free shipping, and I got 13 Funko Pops altogether. So I was pretty excited to get this. Now, I think I am done buying Funko Pops for a while, unless I can absolutely get them. I have one that's coming in from Dr. Pepper. Again, I didn't get a confirmation. I got a confirmation, but I didn't get an email letting me know that, you know, that it's on order or on its way. I have no idea. It's just going to show up whenever, so we will see when that shows up. But I am done collecting Funko Pops unless they come out with more Nickelodeon ones. I just got Cat Dog recently, and then I think I just need the Wild Thornberrys, and I have the whole entire collection of Nickelodeon. So I'm pretty excited for that. This is a random video, but if you guys enjoyed it, let me know if you guys want to see some more of this stuff. I will definitely do a video showing you guys my collection when everything gets all put together. We are going to get shelves to put these all on, so I'm pretty stoked for all that. But I am just excited for Reptar. I am Reptar, hear me roar. I am Reptar, kick a dinosaur. What movie is that from? Yeah. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.